Green tea, a beverage deeply rooted in many Asian cultures, has gained global recognition for its myriad health benefits. These benefits, which have scientific support, range from helping with weight management to possibly preventing cancer. Let's delve into the wonders of this unassuming yet potent drink. Green tea and weight loss. Green tea is widely acknowledged for its ability to assist in weight loss. This is attributed to catechins, an antioxidant that enhances the tea's fat-burning properties. By boosting energy expenditure and promoting the oxidation of fats, incorporating green tea into your diet can be beneficial if you aim to shed some extra pounds. A boost for brain function. The components found in green tea, notably catechins and polyphenols, offer more than just a delightful taste. They can significantly bolster brain function and shield against age-related cognitive decline. Combining caffeine and L-theanine in green tea forms a powerful synergy that effectively enhances cognitive performance. This combination proves to be a valuable asset for mental acuity by promoting improved focus, attention, and memory. Incorporating green tea into your routine can be beneficial for honing cognitive abilities and sustaining mental acumen as you age. It actively supports overall brain health and vitality, providing the means to maintain mental sharpness for an extended period. So, make green tea a part of your daily regimen and witness its positive impact on your cognitive well-being. Potential cancer fighter green tea has gained widespread recognition for its rich content of antioxidants, notably polyphenols, that hold immense promise in preventing different forms of cancer. These potent antioxidants diligently combat harmful free radicals, effectively minimizing the risk of cellular damage and hindering the growth and spread of cancer cells. By incorporating green tea into your daily regimen, you can tap into its remarkable health advantages and join the battle against cancer. Oral health. Green tea delivers promising results when it comes to oral health. The catechins in green tea can effectively kill bacteria in the mouth, improving dental health and eliminating the risk of cavities and bad breath. Studies have also found green tea effectively eliminates oral bacteria associated with gum disease and reduces dental plaque. It's clear that regularly drinking green tea can provide you with not only a great-tasting beverage, but also an all-around healthier mouth. Cardiovascular health. Intake of green tea is associated with a decreased chance of cardiovascular disease thanks to its high content of powerful antioxidants. These antioxidants protect against diseases like heart by reducing inflammation and controlling the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Further studies have also revealed that green tea can reduce blood pressure, furthering its ability to promote cardiovascular wellness. Fighting diabetes. Studies have shown that green tea, which contains powerful antioxidants, may significantly decrease the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes. This is due to its unique ability to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, leading to better metabolic health. Consider incorporating green tea into your daily routine to promote well-being and a healthier future. Anti-inflammation and bone health. Green tea is a popular beverage rich in antioxidants, offering a refreshing taste and various health benefits. These antioxidants possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can aid in reducing inflammation in the body. Studies also suggest that green tea can help prevent bone loss, making it a natural remedy for osteoporosis. Therefore, incorporating green tea into your daily routine can be a pleasant way to improve your overall health and promote stronger bones. Green tea and skin health. Green tea's benefits extend beyond consumption. Its topical application has been linked to improved skin health. With its potent antioxidants, green tea reduces inflammation and fights against harmful free radicals, thus diminishing signs of aging and maintaining skin elasticity. Beneficial for gut health. Did you know that green tea is rich in natural antioxidants called catechins? Studies have shown that these potent compounds can positively impact gut health by improving gut bacteria's balance and aiding digestion. Drinking green tea regularly can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is necessary for optimal digestion and overall wellness. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to nurture your gut and support your overall health. Boosting immunity. Green tea has gained widespread recognition for its remarkable health benefits. Abundant in antioxidants and polyphenols, this delightful drink revitalizes the senses and fortifies the immune system, empowering it to combat common illnesses and infections more effectively. Embracing a daily cup of green tea offers the pleasure of its calming flavor. It bolsters your body's immune defenses, providing a serene and relaxing moment during your daily routine. A natural stress reliever. Last but not least, we mustn't overlook the calming properties of green tea, renowned for its ability to ease stress and lower anxiety levels effectively. This is due primarily to L-theanine, an amino acid that induces a soothing sensation and uplifts mood, making it an excellent addition to any mindful relaxation regimen. Conclusion. Embrace the multifaceted qualities of green tea, for it surpasses being a refreshing drink. It emerges as a potent elixir that can elevate your overall well-being and should find a place in your daily dietary habits. The remarkable advantages of incorporating green tea into your routine will lead you toward a healthier and potentially longer life. Embrace this ancient and beneficial brew as a valuable addition to your lifestyle and savor its abundant rewards.